Hello and welcome to 10 Tips to Build and Sell WordPress Plugins course. Thank you very much for taking this course. Learning these tips will propel you in a new field of discovery of marketing techniques and experimentation in coding. As you know, there are thousands of people all around the globe that make money over the internet just by selling these small WordPress add-ons called plugins. What you are about to learn is not only how to make money, but to completely transform your life with the help of great opportunities that are all around you. If you're new to this field, this tutorial includes a section about learning the basics of web design, setting up a domain, hosting, installing, and configuring WordPress. Many opportunities will be unlocked for you if you learn these basic things about the web design business. For example, you can send offers to potential clients to set up websites, install WordPress, or select the right theme and plugins. Here you will also learn where to find the best free plugins or buy the best theme that fits your needs. We also need to research more about what our options are. For example, a plugin like the one you have in mind may already exist. Have you checked all the marketplaces for premium plugins? Is there a plugin that is similar to your idea? If you plan to release a plugin and sell it on a marketplace, then it's recommended that you start building a totally new plugin. Before you start building a plugin, you need to research more about the user interface and plugin functions. Think of a couple of use cases, situations in everyday life where your plugin can help people with a certain problem. People around the world are looking for specific solutions for their needs for the development of plugins. For example, they have bought a theme that lacks the functionality to have a modern-looking event calendar for their upcoming shows with an admin area. Instead of building a multi-purpose event calendar, try to create a plugin that shows events only in a specific area with an integrated Google map. What type of plugin has a target market that hasn't been satisfied yet by other plugins or substitute products? Let's start by trying to describe what we want to achieve in one sentence. That is our minimal viable product or MVP. Keep things light and simple. For example, I need a form plugin for uploading files from the front end, or image gallery with responsive layout. Alright, now let's expand that idea into a couple of sentences. Image gallery needs a white box, hovering animation, a responsive design, shortcode, and an admin panel. Those are our functionality requirements. In the next lecture, you will learn how to create a well-organized structure of your files and folders. Nothing too complicated, just separate your images from JavaScript files and organize your PHP files in different folders. Do you need other scripts like Bootstrap, Font Awesome, and others? Why is this so important? Well, once in a while you're going to need to update and upgrade the plugin. An organized structure of files and specific PHP functions will be much easier to manage down the road. Before starting to write even one piece of code, research online to find the best function out there to solve the particular problem. Here you have a ton of resources you can use, from the WordPress.org, Codex and support forums, to the thousands of free open source scripts online. Connect the functions you need in an organized manner, then create a front-end HTML interface with clear identification of elements of the DOM tree. Remember, what people see is the bugs, not the product. So what can you do to improve the design? Learn the latest CSS free tricks to get things transformed, rotated, faded out, or use jQuery functions for the same thing. In this section you will learn the best techniques that will impress your customers. Also, certain types of rules like responsiveness are already a standard for any design. How to achieve it? Well, there are frameworks like Bootstrap that can help you a lot in creating the perfect design. Testing and fixing bugs is an important stage of the development process. Any product you create is certainly going to have some issues or problems. How can you find them and fix them before the customers start to complain? Well, there is a checklist you can go through regarding finding bugs. Remember, not everyone is using your favorite device or browser. Going through all devices, all browsers, and all possible scenarios can be difficult. Learning how to organize this effort is what you will learn in this lecture. Now when you created your plugin, you will need to learn how to sell it. Do you want to go and create your own website store for plugins or submit your plugin to a marketplace? Would you like to give it for free and then charge some type of membership? Finding the best strategy can be difficult. Creating milestones and plans is helpful. Take one step at a time and feel content with small achievements in the beginning. Once you build your reputation, the profits will increase. What are the best marketing options at your disposal? What type of image are you trying to convey in the eyes of your potential customers? Is this a bundle all-in-one package or a specific product? What you want to do regarding colors, logos, promotion images, packages, tutorial videos, and so on. What keywords are you focused on? It's not just important where you sell your plugin, but how to get more attention. For example, do you need to do a little bit of search engine optimization? How to make sure that people that need this plugin find it easily on the internet or in a marketplace? Learn all these tricks plus how to build a reputation on social media that will enhance your sales. Do you remember the rule that one loyal customer is worth up to 10 times as much as their first purchase? This is because that customer will not only buy more of your plugins, but recommend you to friends, post your plugin on social media, and maybe write a blog post. Getting loyal customers takes patience and understanding that they are your investors and you need to respect them. So give them a chance. When someone writes an email to complain, answer it immediately with a calm attitude and a friendly voice. Try to fix their problem if you can, and if you can't, offer them a refund or a complimentary service or product. All the knowledge you need about WordPress plugins is placed in 10 tips for your convenience. Reading and learning this valuable piece of information will improve your skills as a marketeer, coder, and entrepreneur. This WordPress plugins tutorial can change and transform your life by learning how to make money in a field that's high-tech and very lucrative.